Hobson, and several years ago, I was feeling depleted, overwhelmed, exhausted. I'm sure you can relate. My body was suffering, so I began to look for more natural, holistic alternatives so I could feel more energized and vibrant. Some of the solutions I found were whole food with nutrients that my body could absorb and essential oils. Since I've been using the oils, I've noticed the quality and length of my sleep has been way better. My moods are more balanced, I'm happier and more energetic. I'm a better mom to my kids. I love essential oils, and after using them for years, I know I could never live without them. Here's why. I use them in every aspect of my life, from my hair products, to my skin products, to my cleaning products. I choose lifestyle products that are less toxic and are better for our environment. Do you want to learn more about how you too can stay hip, happy, and healthy? Come on over to my website, HayleyHobson.com, and grab my weekly updates. Also, feel free to take advantage of all the freebies of nuggets of information that I'm providing to you on a daily basis on social media. See you online.